Going to her second question, this is some of the diseases of the hearts. This is something that spoils our standards of living, and that is hatred, feeling the pain, feeling that someone stabbed you from the back, being oppressed. All of these make our lives miserable. So if someone that you used to respect and he does not reciprocate and show his gratitude to what you do, you feel bad about it. How would you feel if he stabs you in the back and spreads lies about you? Definitely, this is even way worse. So Kalthum is asking about such a person who now, at the moment, neglects what he had done, is unaware of his transgression, he's home, he's happy, he's enjoying life. Who's on the losing end? It's you, Kalthum. You're the one who's being tortured, you're being envious, you are filled with negative thoughts, your heart is blackened by hatred and grudges, while your opponent is happy. So you are being unfair to yourself. What's done is done. If you have confidence in yourself, it doesn't matter if they praise me or criticize me. Who cares? So you should be confident of yourself. You should be grateful to Allah Azza wa Jal that He exposed that person who is a relative or whatever, who you used to respect enormously and do a lot of things and go out of your way to help and please. You should be grateful to Allah that He exposed him to you or her to you. A brother called me a couple of days ago. He said, my father-in-law borrowed money from me and promised to return it in 3 months' time. And now it's been like 3 years, 4 years, and he did not return it. I feel bad. And the reason I feel bad is because my own father is demanding money from me and I don't have. So every time I call my father-in-law, he dodges my calls, he doesn't reply, and if he does, he says, once you come back, I will give you your money, etc. And he is definitely not intending to do it. So I asked the brother, how much is the money? And he said 10,000 riyals. I said, this is the greatest gift from Allah to you. He said, how is that? I told him 3-4 years ago, when you had good relations with your father-in-law, had he asked you for 1,000,000 riyals, and at the time you had the 1,000,000 riyals, would you have given him? And I said, yes. So I told him, now look, mashallah, Allah Azza wa Jal has granted you 990,000 riyals, a gift. With 10,000 riyals, you expose the nature of your father-in-law. So now even if he comes and asks you for a dime, you won't give him because you know. So who cares about the 10,000? Let it go. As long as you have a good wife and you are happy with her, let this be a gift to him and a lesson to you not to give him any single qirsh or penny in the future. And then I said, wow, that's good. Thank you. Kalthum, you should do the same. Don't look at the empty half of the glass. Look at the full half of the glass, though it's the same glass. So be grateful to Allah Azza wa Jal and be thankful to the many favors and blessings that Allah had given you, and don't be stuck in that hole or in that pit where you, by your own choice, decide to depress yourself, to feel sorry for yourself, to feel oppressed and saddened. Move on. History is gone. It's not going to come back again. So it's a lost cause. Forget about it. Move in your life and be positive, and inshallah you will benefit from that.